Hello guys, welcome to Raphael Math Room. Today I'll solve this interesting and nice exponential equation is like 20 power a plus 20 power a plus 20 power a divided by 10 to the power a plus 10 to the power a plus 10 to the power a equal 100. Then what's the value of a? So take a look. In here we can write this 3 is equal 3 times 20 power a divided by this 3 in here 3 times 10 to the power a equal 100. So from here we can write this 3 and this 3 will be cancelled out. Then we can write 20 power a divided by 10 to the power a equal 100. After that we have to use here like an exponential formula is a to the power m divided by b to the power m equal a by b bracket m. So we have to use this exponential equation in here. Then we'll get 20 divided by 100 whole bracket equal a equal 100. So then we can write like this 0 and this 0 will be cancelled out. Then we'll get 2 to the power a equal 100. So after that we will use both side log. Then we'll get log 2 to the power a equal log 100. So after that we have used another exponential formula is like a log equal it will not like log a to the power c equal log a into c. So after using this we'll get like a this power in here log 2 equal log 100. Then we'll get a to the power log by 2. Generally we have to remove this log 2 from here, so we have to divide it both sides with log 2. So we write here a to the power a log 2 divided by log 2. Then we also write log 100 divided by log 2. So from here we will cancel out this log 2 and this log 2 in here. Then we'll get a equal log 100 divided by log 2. After that we can write a equal this 100 we can write log 100 equal 4 times 25 divided by log 2. This is the value of a. So after that we will use another exponential formula. It will be like log a b equal log a plus log b. So after that we'll compare this equation into this formula. Then we'll get a equal log 4 plus log 25 divided by this log 2 will be in here log 2. So guys, if you still in here and watching my video, please subscribe the channel and support me. It will be very appreciated for me. Please subscribe. Thank you. So after this equation we can simplify here, like a equal log 4 plus log 25. We have to use both sides, log 2 by log 2. Then simplify this equation, we'll get a equal log 2 into 2 square divided by log 2 plus log 25 equal 5 square divided by log 2. Then we'll get a equal 2 log 2. This 2 will be in here and this 2 is the base in SM. Then we'll get log 2 plus this 2 will be in here and log will be log, and this 5 is still in here, is side, divided by log 2. So from here this log 2 and this log 2 will be cancelled out. Then we'll get a equal 2 plus 2 bracket log 5 divided by log 2. So here we have to use another exponential formula, is like a log a divided by log b equal log b power a. So from here we can get the genuine value is 2 plus 2 log 2 to the power 5. This is the value of a. So now we have to check the answers. Then we have to rewrite the equation is 20 power a plus 20 power a plus 20 power a divided by 10 power a plus 10 power a plus 10 power a equal 100. So from here we can write 2 to the power a equal 100. So we have to just replace this s value in this a. Then we'll write 2 to the power 2 plus 2 log 2 to the power 5 equal 100. So here we will use an exponential formula, a to the power m plus n equal a to the power m times a to the power n. So after that we'll simplify. Here take a look, 2 to the power square times 2 to the power log 2 to the power 5 equal 100. Simply we just apply this formula in here. This plus is getting like this times. So after that we'll write this 4 2 square equal 4, and this 2 will be log 2 to the power 25, because this 2 will be in here. Then this 5 and 5 square equal 25 equal 100. So after that we'll write 4 times 2 log 2 to the power 5 equal 100, and then it will be log 4 times 25 equal 100. Then you can write 100 equal 100. So left hand side and right hand side prove. So this is the full answer. So thank you guys, hope you are enjoying. Please subscribe this channel. Goodbye.